Brain on for KB. I got one box of 16-17 Panini Flawless Basketball. I'm going to let him pick his box. We got the case here. And like if somebody else wants to buy the other one. Top one, you got it. Okay, there it is in all of its beauty. There it is. All right, man. Good luck. Some nice stuff. And also, if you want the case, just let me know in the chat, and I can also send that to you. So just let me know if you want it. I'd be more than happy to ship that with it. All right, first time I'm opening some 16-17 flawless basketball, I should say. Hopefully, get some nice hits out of here. Two right there. Keys in there. I'll show you it's empty. Okay. Starting us off, an absolutely gorgeous patch right here. 2 of 10, Jimmy Butler. 2 of 10 for the Chicago Bulls, Jimmy Butler. Gorgeous patch right there, as what you thought you'd see with Flawless. 2 of 10, Jimmy Butler. Next up, 101, Clint Capella. 101 dual patch, Clint Capella for the Houston Rockets. Nice player right there. 101 Capella. Two of 5 dual patch auto Danilo Gallinari for the Denver Nuggets. Danilo Gallinari. 2 of 5. Sharpshooter Danilo Gallinari. 6 of 25 for the Orlando Magic, Mario Hezonja. 6 of 25, Mario Hezonja. Guard for the Orlando Magic. For the Detroit Pistons, 9 of 25, Andre Drummond. 9 of 25, Andre Drummond for the Detroit Pistons. For the Timberwolves, 18 of 25, Ricky Rubio. 18 of 25 for the Timberwolves, Ricky Rubio. Five of 10, patch auto, Willie Hernangomez. 5 of 10, Willie Hernangomez. The New York Knicks right there. 5 of 10, Hernangomez. Beautiful patch auto right here for the Milwaukee Bucks. 4 of 7, Thon Maker. Nice rookie patch auto, 4 of 7, Thon Maker. Four of 7, Thon Maker. Yeah, out of 7, kind of odd, but nice. Empty right there. Let's move on to our encased cards right here. Starting out, 19 of 25, Dirk Nowitzki. 19 of 25, Dirk. Nice. Diamond, 19 of 25, Dirk Nowitzki. Yeah, he's number 7. Dirk, 19 of 25. And to end it, the Mamba, 8 of 15, Kobe Bryant. Guess old jersey number, right? 8 of 15, beautiful auto right there, Kobe Bryant. Still love some Kobe autos. Nice hit right there, 8 of 15, Kobe Bryant, and a nice way to end it right there with a 1925 Dirk Diamond and an 8 of 15 Kobe Bryant. RKB, thanks for the break, man. I always appreciate it. And let me know if you want the briefcase. I can always send that out if you want it. Thanks, bud.